right, welcome back to Big Head Small Cap. It is Monday morning, and very little is going on. Uh, let's look at it. Basically flat on the day, slightly down. In mode is slightly down. In mode made a little bit of a run. Actually, no, in mode is slightly up. I think in mode, yeah, is slightly up. But let's look at in mode. It did. See, it's even more down now. It went up to 2460 today. So that was nice. I mean, I actually feel like it kind of wants to go up, which is a good thing. It makes me feel more and more confident about this trade. But that said, I also feel like it's just going to be forever. This is now sort of a value name, and value rarely moves particularly quickly. Crescendo actually is where something did happen. We got in and traded at a 550. So we're up on that one, but we're down on this one. So hopefully, again, Crescendo's not trading great. Crescendo's been trading poorly for the last couple days. And that coupled with the fact that I really need to get out of it this week makes me not ecstatic. Let's say it like that. It just, I mean, it had a little run here, but it's just, I guess it's just just bouncing around. But for the last 5 days, just really steady, slow and steady decline, which is really never good. Let's do 1 month, see what we've got. Yeah, I mean, let's face it, this is not, it's below where it should be. It's not, let's do it this way. Let's do 5-day and scroll backwards. I mean, below 6 is not a good number for this company. So it makes me a little bit nervous. Coupled with the fact that I need to get out of it this week. Makes me nervous. So we'll see what happens there. Let's go back to our watch list. Perion down, that sort of sucks, but again, I feel like probably nothing really is going to happen there. Basically a value name as well. I don't see any catalyst pushing this thing far. If it goes too much farther, I'll buy it, because what that times 0.1, that minus that, yeah, at 2180 I'll buy it again. And then if I ride it up, if I buy it and ride it up and sell it, at that point I really can get out of Perion, because I made 1600 there. I can get out of Perion even without too much work. So I don't even know what I'm rooting for. I may actually, given what I just said, hope that this thing continues down. I can get it in the 21s and ride it back up, because I'm sure it's not going anywhere. It's a good name. It's solid. A company, makes a lot of money, still growing. It's just nothing fantastic. Yeah, so I mean, that's kind of all that's going on. Let's hope for good things on Crescendo. If that could run up to $6, I'd be ecstatic. Giga Clouds had quite the range, but not good enough for me to get into it. I had my trade at 28. I thought about moving it to 30, but I think I'm gonna leave it at 28. And yeah, I'll update you if anything exciting happens at the end of the day. But at this point, I'm really not expecting anything. Let's see what's going on in the interesting. See if anything. Nothing's really down. Nothing's really up. Rivian, but I'm not going to touch Rivian for a while. Rivian's super dead money in my opinion. Laid off a bunch of their staff. Just not good. So anyway, yep, that's that. I'll talk to you at the end of the market. Bye. All right, let's do the market close. Other than me getting a haircut, basically nothing happened today. I did get Crescendo and I made a tiny bit of money on this trade. Crescendo just did not trade well today at all. I'm not happy about it. But overall, I think maybe I lost a tiny bit of money, but nothing meaningful. Amalex traded great all the way up to 1850 and then came all the way down to 1756. 1850. I think that's going to give me the oomph next time I see 1850 to just sell it out and try to get in at 1750. It's clear 1750 is the price I'm going to see. No reason to be stuck in at 1850. That said, I also don't feel any desire to freak out about being in Amalex. I think it's going to do great. In mode bubbled around, did nothing. Perion fell down a little bit. I think it lost 20 cents. Let's see. Yeah, 20 cents, which isn't good, but it's like a big yawn. Again, if it got down to 21.80, I'd buy more of it and try to ride it back up. But yeah, not much of anything. The big news was ACMR. That did great today, but not killer. And I got to figure out a way out of Crescendo because I do not want to hold it over the earnings call. Crescendo was the big loser today at down 2%, but like of all my names, if that's the big loser, basically you had literally nothing going on today. And the big winner was Elf, which I don't play in, Rivian, which again I think is dead money. I'm going to stay away from for a long while. Giga Cloud, that's a bummer that I didn't get into that at the 31 I had a chance at, but I wouldn't be selling it anyway. So again, I'm happy being on the sideline. So yeah, not much going on. I don't know what to say. I'll let you know if anything exciting happens tomorrow. But again, my goal is still just to work myself out of these positions at a reasonable profit, or excuse me, at a break even. At this point, I'd be happy with a break even. So hopefully we can do that. All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow.